Checking out new plants and new products at the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show is one of my favourite things to do. Last year I discovered some great rusted look garden edging from StraightCurve, but I'm not going to use it in the traditional garden edging sense. Instead, I've come up with two creative ways to use this garden edging to overcome garden hurdles. This steep slope was dull and lifeless because planting directly into it was nearly impossible. So instead, I've used these straight curve edging pieces to create planting pockets which I can fill with lush plants. This flexline edging is, as the name suggests, able to flex and bend into different shapes. It's made from weathering galvanised steel, so it will gradually rust up nicely over the coming weeks, but it will also stand the test of time. The edging comes in standard lengths that can easily be clicked together to make longer sections. Simply insert the join bracket under the top lip. Break off a wedge and slider. Insert the slider into the edge slot and insert the wedge into the slide. I've anchored these flexline pieces onto this slope using their clever bracing system. It comes with an adjustable turnbuckle to help keep everything in place. This is a tough shaded site, so I've chosen a combo of plants that are both hardy and shade loving, and they've got flowers and interesting foliage for year-round contrast. I'll use the Tapuna arthropodium as my feature plant up the back, and then I'm going to fill around with some pretty muscari mauve liriopes. These have purple flower spikes in late summer. And I'll just finish it all off with a layer of mulch, and this once barren slope is now a thing of beauty. From sweeping curves to straight lines, how's this for an alternative planter? This is actually created using the boxline range from StraightCurve, and because it's a modular system, you can make it rectangular or square, and you can create any height you want, even with a planter and a seat. Plant the edges out with herbs and edible flowers, so they are right at your fingertips. So think outside the box, and you too can have a little straight or curved garden magic.